EETV boxes are popular streaming devices in UK households, providing access to live TV, on-demand content, and various streaming apps. However, like any electronic device, they can experience issues. Common problems include freezing during playback, buffering issues, app crashes, and slow performance. These issues often occur after software updates or during peak usage periods when the system is under stress. Fortunately, most of these issues can be resolved using two main types of resets. Understanding the difference between these reset methods is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Let's start with the soft reset, also known as a restart. This is the gentler option that clears temporary cache and memory, resolving minor software glitches while keeping all your settings and recordings intact. Here's how to perform a soft reset step by step. First, unplug the power cable from your EETV box. This completely cuts power to the device. Next, wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute. This waiting period allows all electrical components to fully discharge and ensures a complete reset of the system's temporary memory. Finally, reconnect the power cable and wait for the box to fully boot up. You'll know it's ready when the LED indicator stops flashing and shows a steady light. Now let's look at the factory reset, also called a hard reset. This is a more comprehensive solution that restores your EETV box to its original manufacturer settings, completely erasing all user data, recordings, and preferences. There are two ways to perform a factory reset. The first method is through the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then Device Preferences, then Reset, and finally select Factory Data Reset. The second method uses the Hardware Reset button. Locate the small recessed Reset button on your EETV box. Then hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds while the box is powered on. Release the button and wait for the device to reboot. Understanding these two reset methods gives you the tools to troubleshoot most EETV box issues effectively. Remember, try a soft reset first for minor problems, and use factory reset only when necessary for persistent issues. Understanding when to use each type of reset is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Different problems require different solutions, and choosing the right reset method can save you time and prevent unnecessary data loss. For soft reset, use it when experiencing temporary freezing, app crashes, minor connectivity problems after power outages, or as part of your weekly maintenance routine. These are typically minor issues that don't require drastic measures. Factory reset should be used for persistent software problems that continue after multiple soft resets, corrupted system files, when preparing the device for a new user, major software update failures, or complete system instability. Industry technicians report that approximately 70% of EETV box issues can be resolved with a simple soft reset, while 20% require a factory reset. This means most problems are minor and don't need drastic measures. After performing a factory reset, you'll need to reconfigure your device completely. This involves several important steps to restore your EETV box to full functionality. First, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. The device will have forgotten all network credentials during the factory reset. Next, sign back into your EETV account to restore your subscription access and personalized settings. You'll also need to reinstall and sign into all your streaming apps, reconfigure parental controls, and set up your recording preferences again. It's important to understand what you'll lose versus what's preserved during a factory reset. All recordings, app credentials, custom arrangements, and parental settings will be lost. However, your EE account association, subscription entitlements, and cloud-based content access will be preserved.